All right, so this is a Honda Rincon 680 engine. I'm getting ready to do a rebuild on it with a new cylinder, jug, a new piston, new rings. So I bought this engine not running. I don't need to do a couple oil flushes because there's a little bit of debris in the engine. So this is how you can check for most engines in general, how to check for if your connecting rod is any good. So if you have a rod knock, the reason why is because the bearings on your connecting rod are loose. If you ever hear someone say that their engine threw a rod, it's because the connecting rod broke and it went through the engine. Anyway, so this is your connecting rod. Your piston sits on top of it, right here, and then inside is your wrist pin. So whenever you're doing a rebuild on an engine, you always want to check the clearance or the give on your connecting rod. So on a regular engine or in a different ATV, you don't want any play side to side. On Rincons, for whatever reason, there's no bearing there. So a little side to side on the Rincon is actually acceptable, which this one has. Right? But on a Rincon, you want no up and down. So there's no up and down. On a regular ATV, another engine, car engine, whatever, motorcycle engine, you would want no side to side. You would want no up and down. So, see, there's no up and down. There's a little bit of side to side because they didn't really use bearings right there. All right, this is how you can tell.